In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to automatically place signatures and fields in your document with the text tags feature in OneSpan Sign. Text tags are one of the many features that make OneSpan Sign easy and quick to use when preparing documents for signature. With text tags, OneSpan Sign analyzes the uploaded document and replaces every text tag pattern with the appropriate signatures or fields. To begin, ensure the text tags feature is enabled in your account by contacting our support team. Click New Transaction and enter a name for your transaction. Click the Create button to proceed. Now it's time to add a document to your transaction. Make sure your document includes the necessary text tags in appropriate locations in the document. A text tag is a string of text or a text convention that acts as a placeholder, indicating where your signatures and fields will be placed in the document. You can find the list of text tag patterns in OneSpan Sign's documentation. Next, let's add a recipient to the transaction. Click Next. After the document is uploaded, OneSpan Sign analyzes it and replaces every text tag pattern with the appropriate signatures and fields in the predefined locations. Your transaction is now ready to be sent out. Click Send to Sign to distribute your document for signing. What's more, similar to text tags, we also enable you to extract signatures and fields from form fields placed in a PDF document. Simply contact our support team to enable the extraction feature and follow the same steps using form fields to have signatures and fields automatically placed in your document. Text tags help to further automate the e-signature process by eliminating the need to manually place signatures and fields in your documents. This feature can be accessed in the OneSpan Sign web application and programmatically using the OneSpan Sign API. Visit our support center for more video tutorials about OneSpan Sign.